What's going on, YouTube? We got a special guest from Colorado over here. The man himself, Mr. Ron. He's visiting. He came down for his sister's wedding, and he came by Shane's shop. Over behind us, we have the CRV, the Death Kart, and we bought some PVC piping today from Lowe's. So I think you can already get the idea of what we're gonna be doing.
D16.
What's it gonna sound like? Swap the bop, the bop, So we got it pulled into the shop. We got a cheap intercooler that Shane had laying around. We got a blow-off valve with a little charge pipe we can actually use. A whole bunch of bends. We got some cement for the bends, make it, you know, nice and official. What else we got? We got a little manifold I picked up.
Oh, you got OEM fluid?
Bro, I'm doing it nice in the rear diff.
Oh, that's for the rear diff.
That's the rear diff.
I have OEM training fluid.
Oh, no, that's just the dual pump fluid for the rear. I've got a little top mount manifold. Obviously, this is the bottom. Gonna sit right there. Little turbo thing. Put this right here. Manifold's on.
Oh, we need an intake too?
Oh.
Sent. We got the, where's the header? Header's off right there. All the rust. We started moving the radiator a little bit, but then one of the tabs just broke off. So we're gonna take this fan off, and then we should be able to mount the actual manifold itself.
Yeah, the turbo's definitely not gonna clear.
We can make it fit.
Pero, you know what?
Where's the sawzall?
Pero papi, right here, and have the radiator
Yeah,
right
just
there.
sawzall this out.
Yeah. You don't need it though.
What you mean, Papa?
The steering's light as hell on this car.
I'm trying to mount it up.
What you doing?
Making intercooler brackets using the roll cage. You see?
We got some dual pump fluid. Yost doesn't want me to change the fluid, but we have it, so why not? That's what makes us the all-wheel drive stop working in these elements and CRVs.
Well, it needs to have a drive shaft to work.
Well, we got that. It's right there. We gonna make it work. What you mean?
Can we slam it?
No, we're not gonna slam it. What y'all doing?
We're getting ready to weld the intercooler in place.
All right, so I changed the rear diff fluid.
Rust removal.
Let's see it. Oh, gotta careful where I step. Dude, that looks mint.
We're just gonna tack. Well, it's not sitting there.
Oh, we're gonna sit it right there?
But once we sit it, I'm just gonna tack it.
I don't know. The cage kind of takes away from the airflow.
I know. We should put it.
We're trying to make it efficient. Okay, not like that,
That's
Yost. Come
not-
on. Man. Okay. You closing your eyes?
That works.
A brand new mask right there.
I was just tacking.
Oh my
okay?
god. This is how people go blind, Shane.
Yeah, welders. We're gonna have welders mask
When you're
tomorrow
from
because
it,
of
you
Shane.
gotta take all the welding masks and open them all the way up to fit the gear.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, it
See.
holds.
Yo, that's not bad. That's right. That's full cage penetration, bro.
Full cage penetration.
Mutual YouTube. You set up a car alarm, Pablo.
Send it. Chancla Fab, don't tag me.
Felt like
Just gonna send it, bro.
Oh, let me mark it so that we at least trying to get like a. Yeah, like in that area. Hold on! Oh my god!
Yeah, we're gonna have to clean that up a little bit.
Jesus Christ, Pablo! No, we'll put this end in the coupler.
Oh, that one right there?
Well, we need another one for the other.
yeah.
Well, we'll get that one after.
We'll put this end in
Are you
here.
getting all the PVC into the bro? That's gonna go in my engine.
It'll burn out. Fun.
Right there. And the
Look
pipe
at
right
that.
there.
Yeah.
Perfect. That'll be fine.
We can run it down the side here.
And
Oh,
then another coupler on that side right there.
Hold on.
It's always good to have extra pipe.
80?
What, the piping?
Yeah, it says
The
280
piping
right
will
there.
hold 280, but the cement that we got only holds 180 per joint.
Celsius, that's
That's
I think
perfect.
like 80.
So then we just need a pipe from here, or a coupler to a PVC pipe, and PVC pipe to there, and then just zip tie everything on.
So let's
No negativity.
So it took us like an hour and a half to turbo a CRV.
So far, yeah. All we got
All we
to
need
do
is
is
oil lines. That's it.
Oil lines and we're done. You know.
We know that Yost can go. All right, so we're taking a little break. We're going to Starbucks real quick. We're with Ron.
What that spark wanna do?
We're about to race the ST. He's preloading. He's preloading pretty good. No! What's going on? Oh my god! What just happened?
He went into whip mode. Went into whip mode.
Hey, that's what's gonna happen when I gap you. Damn! All right, so we welded on the return bung. It's right here, welded on the inside and out. Welds are terrible, but you know, it's all good. Taking out all the sludge. This is crazy. Looks like they never did an oil change on this car, but it's all good.
Or actually, they might have left it outside and it got stuff in the motor. You know, it's not like it's...
Stuff happens, right? Yeah. Alfonso and Ron are putting the drive shaft in. How's it going, guys?
It's going.
It's good. Is everything cross-threaded, rusted, and broken?
Just a little bit. Mounting the turbo for the last time.
So we got the drive shaft on, I think. How is it on there?
It's on.
It's on?
It's got enough bolts.
All right, cool. Then we're putting the turbo on. Once that is on, then we can actually start it. And, well, we got to put the drain on, obviously. Got a bunch of extra line on it. And worst case scenario, we can always fix it, right?
Yeah, we can shorten it later.
Oh, my. They use premium synthetic oil from Walmart. We got some SuperTech 1030.
Bay? Damn.
What?
Shane got replaced. New pour bay.
Ooh. Fonzie got them skills, too. All right, we're on the final stages. What you doing, Yost?
I'm trying to hook a vacuum line so we have a blow-off and...
Wastegate? Nice. All-wheel drive CRV with PVC piping.
With the drive shaft.
With the drive shaft. Ghetto death trap go-kart for startup. Oh, we got a check engine light, guys. We got to take this in for service. Turbo spin? Oh, she's spinning. Oh my god! It's actually making some boost. Holy crap! It starts. Will it shoot flames? What's the video of those Arabs who like That was 7,000 RPMs?
That was 7,000.
That's the highest this motor's ever gone.
Show them the taillights. That's what Ron's gonna see.
Oh!
Go show them the taillights.
Everybody's gonna get gapped and see these taillights.
The Yoast built taillights.
It runs! This will actually launch all-wheel drive now, right?
I lost my 1320 hat. So it makes boost. You almost died. Almost died. It makes. Come on, come on. Up, up. Save the hat. It's like 5,000 boosts and then like. Hey. Park it somewhere.
Should I do a little launch? Guys, my check engine light is on. Dude, that thing's rips. It moves though.
It runs.
It moves pretty decent for you know.
Don't sit in the passenger seat because the blow-off will hit you in the face.
Oh my god. What do you think?
I think you guys have way too much time on your hands.
We ain't
Drive it in reverse. Front mount. It's a front mount if we drive it in reverse. We need an alternator belt for a CRV.
Y'all sell belts here?
guys.
What you mean you hate me?
You guys are having fun. Look at where I'm at.
All right, skip forward about an hour. Yost is welding up a dump tube for the wastegate. Shane's over here working on a customer car. Over on this side, we're changing the alternator. We just got the vacuum lines put for the fuel pressure regulator because it was off. Hashtag send it, papi, you already know. Don't tag me. And since it was leaking a lot, we put some quick sealant around the half-welded bung. So hopefully that should dry up real quick and we get that working. What do you think, Ron?
I don't know, man. This is nuts.
We're gonna try, we gotta try.
So,
What do we do to old alternators?
well,
I mean, it's seized.
we
Looks good to me. Oh my God. What are you guys doing back here with the cutter?
All the way in the back, like in the back here.
What are y'all doing?
So we cut it.
Oh my God.
What are we doing?
we're tuning right now.
We're going for another drive right now. We got Fro Man right here with the helmet and his scan tool. Since it's OBD2, we want to see how much boost it's actually making.
That background though.
Oh my God, that boy
That
clean.
thing that doesn't ever run.
Nope,
So yeah,
it won't
between
ever.
Carlos and Shane, I don't need another tuner. Don't tag me.
Turn the key on so I
We're
can
gonna turn the key
so I
right
can
now.
load this tuner.
We're gonna turn the kizzle.
Turn the 27
2-2.
22.
7.
So we going for a drive. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we don't got no more bugs in our head. Okay.
Whole unit.
We're both safe. You know, if we won't die with this, right? It's kind of a small helmet, but it's all good. I'll bring
Yeah,
you.
it's fit for Alyssa's
You're
head.
reflective. They can.
Live data.
I'm opening the live data. All right, let's see. 159 kPa is the limit.
Why doesn't it tell me what gear I'm... Okay. I think that's D4. What it make? Oh, that's KPA?
Yeah.
You can't switch that to map? There's a truck. Oh yeah, they're open. Alright, we're at the gas station. We're at the gas station. We gotta put some gas in this thing. Put some premium 93 octane, you know what I mean? Ready? Full start on point. Get in, Ron. Woo!
Oh, use the e-brake. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go. It's like 8 pounds. Woo! It builds 5 pounds brake boosting. Are you serious? Holy crap, that's awesome. At first, when we first went that way, it made like 6 pounds. And then coming back, he shifted to second, and then she started
Oh, it
eating.
woke up.
Yeah.
We heard it. It
Yeah?
woke up. Yeah.
It started eating.
You can hear it.
All right, so that pretty much sums up the video for today. Ron, thanks for flying all the way from Colorado so you could change my alternator. I appreciate that. Shane, thanks for the hospitality and letting us, you know, helping out with the build, obviously. Yost, you as well. Alfonso's not here. He already went home. Lee, thanks for showing up at the last 10 seconds just to watch the car rip. And that does pretty much sum up the video for today. We're going to come back tomorrow and do some other stuff, probably fix the fuel lines that are all broken. For those of you guys asking if the PVC piping actually works, let me just tell you, this right here is hot. Goes through the PVC, builds boost, and holds it. This one right here, nice and cold. Yeah. Real cold. So it's working, it's doing its job, and I almost cut my foot.
And even with all this piping, it still spools really well, too.
It does, it does.
Like, I'm surprised,
What'd you say it
honestly.
made off of just brake boosting
Like,
it?
power braking it made 5 pounds, and then when you shifted to second, it went to like 8.
That sounds like a party. On a B20, that sounds like a party. So, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I did order an FMU. If you guys don't know what that means, it's basically like an old way to not tune a car, but have it mechanically add fuel pressure for every pound of boost that your car makes. When cars didn't have like aftermarket ECUs and whatnot, that's what a lot of people used to do. We're going to be putting one of those on this car since it is an OBD2 automatic car. To tune it, we'd have to run like some parallel engine harnesses, do a lot of stuff, and then chip and all that other stuff. This for $48, we're going to see if we can do like a ghetto tune. But yeah, so that does pretty much sum up the video. If you liked it, please share. This is kind of crazy, kind of just sent it on this. So yeah, if you guys have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure to like the video, share, subscribe if you aren't already. Check out Auto Sauce, his channel, Yo Spill, and Shane's Froman Garage. I'm going to link all of that stuff in the description down below.
Tell your friends about the CRV cart.
Tell your friends to tell your friends about this death cart right here.
Death cart.
If this doesn't go viral, I'm going to be upset.
We'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.